Hello to all dear companions. Today, we want to talk about one of the most advanced topics in the world of technology: planning and programming military drones. Military drones are advanced tools capable of performing complex operations such as reconnaissance, surveillance, and even striking specific targets. But how does this technology work? What is the brain of these drones? And who are the people behind this technology? In this video, we will answer these questions. Artificial intelligence, the thinking brain of drones. Military drones require a thinking brain that can make decisions both quickly and accurately. This thinking brain is artificial intelligence. This intelligence analyzes environmental data using algorithms, machine learning, and image processing. For example, when a drone enters a military zone, its cameras and sensors act like eyes. But interestingly, this data is not processed immediately. Instead, the data is sent to cloud systems or advanced onboard processors, where algorithms, with the help of deep neural networks, analyze which target is the enemy or which obstacle needs to be avoided. Some drones even use reinforcement learning, enabling them to improve based on past experiences. In other words, with each flight, they perform better than before. Security, communication, and remote control. Controlling military drones is not just about hardware. It also heavily depends on software security. Imagine if hackers could take control of a military drone. To prevent this, drones are equipped with advanced encryption protocols like AES 256, making it nearly impossible to eavesdrop on their communications. If we delve deeper into encryption, imagine you need to exchange information between yourself and another location. To ensure no one else can understand your message, it is converted into coded data. The system implemented in drones uses a 256-bit encryption key. If someone tries to hack it, they would need to test 2 to the power of 256 possible combinations, making it extremely secure. Additionally, the communication between the drone and its control center is conducted through satellite networks. These networks are designed to maintain connection even under severe communication interference. But it's not all about security. Programming languages like C++ and Python play crucial roles in designing drone control software. Specifically, Python is used for developing artificial intelligence systems, while C++ is utilized for managing hardware and real-time processing. These drones demonstrate how advanced the world of programming and technology has become. If you're interested in this topic, be sure to share your thoughts with us and like this video. Until the next video, goodbye.